Hey, what is up friends, my name is Eric and in today's Illustrator tutorial I will be showing guys how to create a text folding effect, much like the one used in the example picture that you see on the screen right now. Alright, let's get started. First things first, enable the toolbars, the advanced toolbars. So you can do that by going up to Window and Toolbars and check the advanced option here. Then we're gonna make some text here. I'm gonna write test. I'm gonna make it white so you can see it better on the darker background. Right, with the direct selection tool here enabled, we're gonna go up to type and press create outlines. Alternatively, you can do Command Shift O on your keyboard if you're using Mac, or Control Shift O on a PC. Right, once you've got the text done with outlines, this is why we enable the advanced toolbar. We're gonna be using this tool here, the free transform tool. I'm gonna use the perspective distort option. And what we're going to do now with this option here is squish down the bottom of the text to create this kind of distorted effect on it. From here, you're going to want to duplicate this text here by using Ctrl C and V. And then with the selection tool enabled, just squish down the bottom text. So this will be our bottom text, and this will be the topmost text. Right, now highlight both of them by dragging with the selection tool enabled and double click on the blend tool here. So it's this one here, and it will open up a blend options tab here. From here, enable spacing, specified steps, and set it to 2. So that will be creating 2 steps between this one and this bottom one here. Press OK. And we are going to have to select the top one first and then the bottom text second. As you can see, it creates 2 steps between the top one and the bottom one. Then press on Object and Expand and press OK. Next, right-click on the side anywhere here on the canvas and press on Ungroup. Right. Next, highlight all of the text here and using the gradient tool, add a -90° angle gradient onto the text here. Now with all the text highlighted, right-click anywhere, press on Transform, Reflect, Horizontal, and press on Copy. That creates a copy of the text, and just drag and drop the duplicate text below the top text to create the bottom version of the folding text effect here. And that is it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.